You guys know how much I enjoy researching about these companies, reading 200-page documents, and how I'll put that over an Arsenal game. You know that, right? Yeah, right. But the thing is, if you actually want to buy the best stocks in the stock market, it's something that you should expect to do. And with that said, that is what I find particularly hardest when it comes to investing in stocks, guys. It's investing in stocks when you have a 9-to-5 job.
You know what you're watching. DS Learning Finance. Whoa.
The first thing I noticed while investing in the stock market is just how convenient, yeah? The stock market hours seem to coincide with the work hours, yeah? So 9-to-5, typical working job. Yeah, that covers pretty much majority of the operating hours in the stock market. Great. Just great, guys, great. Absolutely great. Yeah, when I want to buy some more JD stocks to invest in, yeah, my colleague wants me to write some specifications for him. Yeah, convenient, isn't it? But seriously though, guys, this makes it especially tricky to invest in the stock market. Just because of this one simple thing that a lot of people may overlook before they actually enter it. But this one negative thing actually turns into a positive thing, for me at least, yeah. And it's because, yes, you have this huge 9-to-5 that's just obviously affecting how you invest, yeah, because that's where you spend the majority of your time during the day. Cool, but in essence that kind of forces you to then become like a long-term trader, long to medium at least, because you simply can't do short-term trading, guys, yeah. In short-term trading, guys, you vigilantly have to watch the market like a hawk, yeah, hovering above, picking when there's an opportunity, yeah, because you don't know when it's gonna come, so you have to watch it all the time. And you can see how this clashes with your 9-to-5, because while you want to watch the market, monitor it daily on a daily basis, yeah, you got some stuff to do. Like at work, your boss wants you to submit some projects. It just ain't gonna happen. This is why I call it an indirect positive, because it kind of like forces you to invest in the medium to long-term perspective, which for me is the best strategy to employ. Okay, so I've talked about the struggles, yeah. I've also talked about the strategy that I like to use when it comes to having a 9-to-5, but exactly how do you do that, guys? And the key word here is preparation, people, yeah? You have to be prepared, okay? More than half of the battle's done preparing. Yeah, and because you have that long to medium term perspective, that means you're not in a rush effectively. You don't have to quickly make decisions. You can base your decisions off of the homework that you do around that company. And I like that because you're preparing yourself to invest. And that's how it should really be, because guess what? You're spending hundreds of thousands if you're lucky of money on this one thing. So you need to make sure you do your homework around it. You can't just make a split decision like that. In my opinion, you can't. For example, if I wanted to invest in Barclays stocks, I could prepare myself and prepare it in the sense of, yes, I have a 9-to-5, but after I finish my job, I come back home. Instead of me watching TV, I could read about Barclays stocks and go through it that way. It may take me several days, cool, or it may just take me one day. Well, I've gotten to a stage where it just takes one day, so you're always proud of that, because before it used to take time. But anyway, back on track, guys, yeah. You get my point. You could prepare yourself before you then decide to enter that market. So yes, you could have done all your homework, place an order the night before for a certain price, and then when that Barclays stocks gets to that price, you're able to buy that stock after you've done your homework, which is invaluable because it gives you more room for flexibility, people. Yeah, hurt. And this is just a small little peek, guys, into just how busy your life can be focusing on stocks while having a 9-to-5. But it gets even busier, people. I got one word to say: children. Yeah, if you have children, I don't have children yet, but I know the struggles. Trust me, I know the struggles being a parent. Yeah. So yeah, I can imagine it just takes it to another responsibility. And not only that, other factors as well. Let's say you live with your partner, you've got them to also take care of as well. It's a lot on your plate to deal with. So what you need to really have on your best side is preparation. You don't go into exam randomly like that. No, you prepare for it. It's the same sort of thing, guys. And that's the end of my video, guys. Short but sweet. Much needed video, trust me. It's your favorite YouTuber, guys, Damien Solari. I talk about stock market investments, property investment, financial management, to giving you guys that consistent content, you know, before you guys can go about doing whatever you're going to do for the rest of the day. Say with me, like, subscribe and share, people. What? DS, learning finance. Whoa. Bye, guys.
Whoa.
Ah.